Welcome back to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and this is the kitchen segment of our channel. And this is something new. We're going to be doing 3 ingredient recipes. And the first one up is these most delicious gluten-free pancakes. They're pretty amazing. But let me start off with, really, it's just a 2 ingredient recipe. 2 eggs and 1 banana. The third ingredient is a choice. You could add, the third ingredient could be vanilla. Or you make the pancakes, which I will be showing you in a minute, and then you sprinkle just a little bit of dark chocolate chips or regular semi-sweet chocolate chips. They're the babies. My goodness, just a few, because then you do not need any kind of syrup or butter or anything to make them, and chocolate and banana go together beautifully. Or the third ingredient could be you make the pancakes and then you heat up a teaspoon of peanut butter and you drizzle that over. That's amazing too. But for today, we're gonna do our family's favorite, which is the 2 ingredient pancake and the sprinkling of the chocolate chips. They make silver dollar sizes. They could be larger, but then it's very difficult to flip them. So it's like they call it silver dollar, but it is bigger than a silver dollar. It's a nice size, round, and then you can stack them up. Okay, here we go. We have a non-stick pan heating up, and then inside a food processor or in a mixer, you're going to add the bananas and the eggs, and you're going to pulse it. There are the bananas. We'll crack the eggs in. 1. Does shell go in there? I don't think so. And 2. Get the lid on and pulse. Check to make sure everything is nice and smooth. No lumps. And then let it sit for a minute, it should rest, and then we are ready to make the pancakes. It is that simple. We're gonna put them right into this pan, and I have to show you this handy dandy little spatula that I found. As you can see, it's all mixed up and ready. Look at this little spatula. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, made by, I think it's Good Grips or something like that. It's so little, it's perfect. And then I will show you how to get them into there. So you want the pan to be nice and hot, but not too hot. I don't use anything fancy, I use a tablespoon. And I scoop out a bit. And I add another scoop. And then I make a few more the same way. I usually do 3 in the pan, because if not, it gets away from you. And they are, at first, very light and airy, so you want to be careful. When you turn them. I'll let them cook for a few seconds. And then I'm going to add the chocolate chips before I flip them. There they are, heating up. And then I give them a minute and then I flip them over because they are very delicate. You can see that 2 have flipped over and they puff up. They look just like pancakes that have flour in them. But it's just the egg and the banana. Pretty amazing. And then I'll make a little stack of them on this plate, and I keep them warm in the oven. I have the oven on warm. Yup. Oh, it's going to be good. Okay, so this is it. I didn't put any powdered sugar. I didn't put anything on it. And if you're like me and you zero in on this, you will notice there aren't 15 here, but they usually make 15. There's 3 missing. So there are 12 here, and there are 3 missing because we had to taste test them. So it makes 15 of these smaller size pancakes. And here's the thing, if you are on Weight Watchers, this is 1 banana and 2 eggs. If you don't put the chocolate chips in it, the whole entire thing is free. Even if you added a little vanilla, it's free. If you wanted to melt some peanut butter and drizzle it over there, then of course there's a point or two there. The same with the tiny bit of chocolate chips. It's also gluten-free. It is really delicious. So very simplistic, 3 ingredients. Try it. This is the first in several more recipes to come. Thank you for tuning into the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and you have a good day. Thanks.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.